Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's currently like 6:45 in the morning. We've been driving for like an hour and a half. We are going to Bentonville, Arkansas. Little couples trip. Me, my homie, his wife, my other homie, his wife, and me and my chick are gonna go ride mountain bikes for the next couple days. So it's gonna be hype. So this video's gonna be sick. I'm excited. We're both getting off. We just got off COVID a couple days ago, so we're still kind of beat up, still a little tired. Our lungs hurt a little bit, so we don't know how well we're gonna do in like the aspect of like riding. So we're gonna try our best. We made this trip a couple weeks ago, so we just want to get it done, and we're fucking hyped. We got like 7 more hours in the car, and it's been a blast already. So I can't wait to get out there and ride. I'm so excited to be here, like so excited. Like she don't even know.
Stop.
I was showing her videos and she was like, "This shit don't. I'm not even excited." She's like, I just want to ride. Like what? She can't like. She has no imagination because she's old. So she's like, she can't look at like sweet trails and be like, "That looks fun." She's just like, "Yeah, whatever. We'll check it out when we're there." She's my old lady.
You're gonna die.
Little old lady. I can't be up this morning. I get weird when I wake up too early.
You crack my back, so you gotta get off the camera.
Crack your back. I'll crack your back, baby. Oh my fucking god, dude. The craziest shit just fucking happened to us. So we're like an hour away from Bentonville, Arkansas. We've been driving for 8 hours now. I just ripped a fucking gas hose. I left the gas hose in my car and ripped the tube out. Like literally I drove up and there was a tube, a gas handle in my gas tank, bro. I cannot make this shit up. I literally cannot make this shit up. It is the stupidest thing. Look at these motherfuckers are laughing at me, bro. I can't believe this shit is so fucking stupid. I've never done something so stupid in my life. I had to get out of there. I was gonna film for you guys to show you, but I had to leave, dude. I've never been embarrassed in my fucking life. Like literally this shit was like dunk, dunk, dunk. I just started laughing. Everyone at the gas pump was looking at me like I'm a fucking moron, dude. Alright, well, day 1 of the road trip. Yo, we are 10 minutes away and only one gas line has died. That's it. That's it. That's it. Alright, so we just got to Bentonville, like 9-hour drive. We're in this nice ass neighborhood, this Airbnb. Rolling in here, dude, there was just jumps on the sidewalk. Like there's big rock slabs of just jumps. Like I thought I seen something. I looked over, it was just like going and going. It was nuts. And we're gonna go into the Airbnb. I haven't looked it out. I haven't checked it out yet, but.
Yeah.
What's up, boys? What's up, boys? What's up? This place is nuts. I'll sleep right here on this fucking couch. I don't give a shit. That shit's nuts. It's like straight up whole backyard. It's got just rock slabs, and there's a big ass fireplace down there. And pretty nuts. This is someone's guest house we're staying in. I don't know where we're going. This must be the master. Big ass master, looks nice. Little bathroom. I don't know where I'm going, so we're just gonna take a couple laps. There's a basement in there? Oh, these are some scary stairs. Just light on. The whole garage has got a full bike rack and everything, and a bike lift. Oh, there's a bar down here? Oh, shit. And a pool table? Oh, no, I'm just gonna sleep right on the pool table. That shit is dope. Oh, this is like a little gangster. Oh, look at that dope ass original Harry Potter.
Original.
That's original. That's Sorcerer in the Stone, dude.
Yeah. Oh man.
They got the Shrek.
You got surround sound?
Ice Age robots? This is dope.
Yeah, well, yeah, they got speakers up there.
Yeah. So, as you guys know, Chance is like one of the most prepared persons ever made, right? Like, I am on top of everything. So we get here. I've been knowing we've been going on a mountain bike trip for the last 3 weeks. We actually made plans to come here, and then me and my whole family, me, my girl, both our kids, both got COVID. So that took a strain on a lot of things. A lot of it was through, even like with these YouTube videos that they're probably coming out. Like I was working on drifting like 101 like techniques part 2. I actually was editing that during COVID, and it was so hard because you just can't concentrate. COVID just whooped my ass. It's like I went 12 rounds, but anyway, so we took off I got new tires because my old tires were just beat, so I got brand new tires, and then we took off the rear tire, and I had a huge dent in my back tire. I'm like, cool, sick. And then my gears aren't working, so I only have like 4 gears working. So homie Andrew that lives out here right now, he's from Minnesota. He's in the drift world. He's actually living out here right now, just part time. He works out of his computer, and he came through with all his tools, and these guys are hooking it up. So we're gonna show you out right now. So, and it's storming right now. Nah, I was just telling him how prepared I am and how everything I own breaks, and that we've known about this trip for like 3 fucking weeks now, and.
Well, Max Terror is that grippy shit.
No, Max Terror is the...
Oh, wait, no. Max Grip is the grippy shit.
Yeah.
He's got Max Terror.
So there's the old tires. Here's the new tires Andrew. Joel's putting on right now. They're saving my butt cheeks. Constantly. Yeah, I don't know where that dent is. But you can't. It was fucked.
What the hell am I doing? Things on the wrong side.
On the front side.
Yeah.
I'm Nick with Slaughter Trail Guides. We're out here at Passion Play, getting ready to shred all afternoon. Downhill all day.
Alright, so it's day 3. I'm tired as hell. We rode for like 9 hours yesterday. We rode most of Slaughter Pen, a couple sections. Then we rode Kohler. Joel actually did, one of my buddies dropped the hammer. Or the hammer drop, or whatever. It's fucking nuts. I don't have a GoPro. I forgot both my GoPros at home, so there's not much riding footage. But my buddy Joel has got his GoPro and he's riding. So yesterday we rode a lot. I don't think I can bike anymore. I can't pedal uphill anymore. I'm beat. But it's been a blast out here. The weather held off all day yesterday. We're supposed to have some pretty crazy storms today. We're just gonna go and wing it, and hopefully the weather just kind of stays out of our way. So we'll see what's going on.